Hey, what's up guys? It's Jason from Grill Your Ass Off.
And I'm Paul from Grill Your Ass Off.
Today we're gonna be doing watermelon margaritas, one of my favorite ways to enjoy a beverage this summertime. We have watermelon, we'll have a little bit of ice, tequila, trip sec, or orange juice as a substitute, lime juice. We have locally sourced honey, limes. Paul, what you got?
We got black cherry smoked sea salt.
That's gonna be perfect on the rim of your margarita. James, take us over to the blender, we'll get started.
So next we're going to put a salted rim on the glass with our black cherry smoked sea salt. Good old rim job.
Make sure you get that good rim job. And then put your bougie ice cube inside. We're going to take our blended margarita and your lime garnish and enjoy.